Hey guys, I'm at the Woodshed Barber, and today we're doing an unboxing. I know I'm usually not the unboxing guy, but I couldn't resist. But we are unboxing the Tpob Pro X Premium Edition. Stormtrooper, baby.
This is the barber shop, Cornerstone neighborhood.
You already saw the thumbnail. Let's unbox the Tpob Pro X Premium White Edition. I am so stoked for these. I don't know what it is, if it's just the whole Stormtrooper look or what, but...
Take over.
So I'm just going to go ahead and pop the lids on both of these. Are y'all ready? All right, let's get this. Got the normal artwork under the lid. And let's see what's what. We can put these away for a different time. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get into what you really want to see, and that's the clipper and the trimmer. I feel like it's stuck. I guess that. Oh, that tape got turned. Okay, big thing to notice. Oh, there goes the. Okay, there was the guard for the clipper. So one thing to notice first thing, that satisfying click. It feels like the clicks are just getting better and better in these. You can't tell from the videos that he's shown, but this rubber grip right here is textured.
Ew.
Man, that's nice. And I like the fact that they went to this slide switch versus that flick switch, that toggle switch. So once again, nice and quiet. Oh man, these might be some of my favorites right now. This is already looking great. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that down. Once again, charging stand. So I'll put that right there for right now. Let's see if this has got the same kind of texture grip on it. That comes off much better. Yep, so gosh, this feels so nice. And it feels, I know it's not, but it feels smaller to me. I mean, this reminds me of how I felt the first time I felt of the X trimmer, the black one I did that review on. This does have the crazy blade. Looks like it's deeper teeth. Okay, let's go ahead and that is really nice and quiet. That's probably the quietest one I've got from him so far as trimmers go. That's nice. Question with the trimmers is always, will they stay quiet? So that's going to be the test of this one. So go ahead and get the stand. I'm going to do the same thing. Put it right over here. Okay, now we'll go ahead and get these boxes out of the way in just a second. But first off, you got your accessory box. This right here will have your charging cable, charging brick. It does come with a US charging brick, which I appreciate, but we got plenty of those. That's why I like this whole USB charging platform. In the clipper, you'll have the same thing. You'll have the guards. The green one came with the green guards. The black one came with the black guards. My guess is this is going to have the black guards. Oh, okay. I like this. White premium Tpob guards. That's what's up. Okay, I'm stoked. That's going to replace my blacks and greens right now. Let's see, you got your charging cable. Let me go ahead and get that over here too. Charging cable and your bricks. What is this? Okay, so this is the clipper grip. You're not going to need it on this one, but this will probably go on my black X. And it has two of them. Okay. One bigger one, one smaller one. Dope. Look, that's some good accessories right there. So go ahead and get these out of the way. So before we talk about the clippers, 3.5 hours of runtime on the clipper, 4 hours of runtime on the trimmer. Both of them got all metal bodies, 7,200 RPM motors, brushless motors, by the way. This does come with the XO graphene blade, and this has the new crazy graphene blade. So let's see the back. Talks about the battery size. Talks about the angle of the cutting blade, all this stuff. And by the way, these boxes has like a nice matte finish to it. Actually, it feels like the same matte finish that was on the Troll Black lid. That's how that feels. That's nice detail. Anyway, let's go ahead and get these out of the way. I'm not much of an unboxing guy anyway, so let's talk about the real reason you clicked on this video, which is right here. So far, every evolution of the X has been better. You've got the X with the hook, the X without the hook. Now you got the X without the hook, the same kind of switch that's on the XO, and now with this rubber grip. And honestly, the way this feels, I prefer this over the XO as far as the way it feels. Now the way it cuts, we'll see. Most likely it's going to cut just as great as all the other X products from Tpob. So I'll be dropping something here soon, but we got a few weeks of testing to go. So let's get this. Well, guys, I hope that gives you a good view of what these are. I've already had them for probably about 4 or 5 days now, so we will be having a review on them real soon. So far, I'm impressed. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please click that like button, subscribe, comment down below, keep those comments humble and kind, and as always, I'll check you on the next one.
What are those for?
Huh? Oh, it's just this stupid thing. I have to take a pill every 6 hours or I feel funny. No big deal.
What's it called?
Advanced delusionary schizophrenia with involuntary narcissistic rage. They give me unbelievable cotton mouth.
Track me down for what?
Agent Beauchesne, I want to remind you again, our station's at your disposal. And you're more than welcome to use any of our interrogation rooms.
We appreciate it, Lieutenant Gerke, but we're all set.